Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about supplementary, complementary, vertical, and adjacent angles. The standard that we are going to be addressing this on is use facts about supplementary, complementary, vertical, and adjacent angles in a multi-step problem to write and solve simple equations for an unknown angle in a figure. So today's objectives are, today I will be able to recall what supplementary, complementary, vertical, and adjacent angles are because I know that you guys have learned this before. You guys might not remember what they are, that's why we're doing this lesson. But you guys have learned it before in a different, I think last year you guys learned it. And you guys are going to be doing this so that I can solve simple equations. Now that's not the only reason you want to learn these. You also want to know them for future more complex math problems because this information will really help you in multiple areas of math in the future. Okay, I'm not going to play this video right now because it's kind of long, but I do want you guys to watch this video because it goes over all the information we're about to go over, but in a lot more detail, which I don't want to get into, but you guys should watch it, and it'll be a lot more informative than just listening to this video. Okay, so supplementary angles are angles that add up to 180. So you can see right here that 150 plus 30 is 180, 140 plus 40 is 180. So when they're in this, when they're next to each other in this line, and we know a straight line is 180, then we know that these are supplementary angles. Complementary is two angles that equal 90, so 60 and 30, 40 and 50. They usually make up a right triangle, or right angle. Okay, a vertical angle. Vertical angles are the angles opposite each other when two lines cross. They're called vertical because they share the same vertex. So these two, 134 and 134 angle E's, are vertical angles because they have the same angle amount, and so are these two 46s. They're across from each other, so they're vertical angles. And vertical angles always have the same degree. Adjacent angles are two angles that have a common side that's shared between them and a common vertex. So this 26 degree and this 33 degree have the same vertex B, and they share the side C with each other. Okay, so I want you guys to go ahead and solve these simple equations. So for this first one, what is x? So we would go about solving this by figuring out what is this? So this is a line, and we know that always equals 180. And so in order for this to equal 180, we would have to subtract 130 out of 180, and we would get 50. And then same with this. This is the 90 degree one, and you would get 15 there. For the next one, these are vertical angles, and we know that whichever one is across from it, that's what's going to equal. So we know that x is 133. And which of these four are adjacent? That would be letter D. Okay, so for this one, what you want to do is you want to figure out, we know that this is a 180 line, and this already gives us 160, so we know that this is 20 to make this a 180. And if this is 20, then the vertical across from it would be 20. And that gives us this angle, which is again 20 plus 115. and that gives us our x as 45. And the next one, so we know that this is 30 right here, and sorry, I'm doing this wrong. We know this is a 90, and 90, and then the vertical across from is 90. So 90 plus 30 is 120, and then this is 180. So 120 or 180 minus 120 would be 60. Okay, that's it for this lesson. I do want you to go over that Khan Academy video because my presentation wasn't as in-depth as it could have been, so that video will give you a lot more information. And after that, I want you to go over to the Khan Academy website and log into your account, and then go ahead and go through all of the angle sections, and that'll give you a lot more info. Yeah, that's it. Okay, bye-bye.